Facing issues with your WhatsApp avatar on your Android phone? Don't worry, it's a common problem caused by an outdated app or glitch. In this video, I'll show you some simple solutions to fix it and get your avatar working again. Solution 1. Update WhatsApp. Outdated app versions can lead to the avatar option not working on WhatsApp. Go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Now if you see any updates available for WhatsApp, simply update the app to its latest version. After the update, the issue should get fixed automatically. But if you don't have any updates available, try the next solutions. Solution 2. Enable avatars in WhatsApp. Make sure if the avatar option is not disabled. Open WhatsApp, tap the 3-line icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, tap on Avatar. Check if you can create or edit your avatar. If the option is missing, proceed to the next steps. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Corrupted cache files can interfere with WhatsApp's functionality. To fix this, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called Storage and tap on it. After that, tap Clear Cache. Now give your phone a restart. After the phone restarts, open WhatsApp and see if the avatar is working or not. Solution 4. Reinstall WhatsApp. Doing this will make you log out of WhatsApp, so be sure of it before doing this. Now tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Tap on Uninstall. After that, confirm the installation. Then go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, install it from there. After the reinstallation, open WhatsApp with your credentials and see if it's working or not. Hopefully, your problem is fixed now, and you can use your avatars like you did before. If this video helped, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips like this. Catch you in the next one.